Hey guys, it's Aaliyah. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. What's up? How you doing? But today's video is going to be on this look right here. And if you want to know how I created this look, then just keep on watching. But very quickly, I wanted to say I have about 6 days left in my giveaway. I will have 3 winners. Each winner will receive one BH Cosmetics palette. If you want to join the giveaway in these last couple of days, I will have the link down in the description bar below. But that is that, and here we go. Hey guys, first things first, like always, is my eyeshadow. So to prime my lids this time, I'm going to be grabbing my NYX foundation stick, and I'm just going to put that all over my lid. For eyeshadow, I'm going to be using the BH Cosmetics 122nd edition palette. And on the first tray, I'm going to use that purple shade, and I'm going to pack that above my crease. Now that looks kind of wonky, go into the second tray with the very first orange shade and pack that above your purple. You're going to see a lot of back and forth because I take a clean fluffy brush and blend that line between the orange and the purple so it doesn't look so harsh. And now I'm going to take a little bit of yellow and place that above the orange and blend it out. But because it doesn't really show up on camera, I did have to add a little more. Here I'm just adding a little more orange because with all of my blending it started to lose its pigmentation. Now I'm going back in with my NYX foundation and I'm just going to put that in the center of my lid for my next colors. And now I'm going to take this pink shade and put it on the 2 outer corners of where I just laid that foundation. Now I'm switching to the Foil Eyes palette. I'm going to use this pretty gold shade. Give it a spritz and put that right in the center of my lid. And now I'm just doing all the same things to my other eye. For primer, I'm using this all matte primer by Red and Black. Foundation is the same as always, Maybelline Fit Me in 356. For concealer, I'm using Maybelline Better Skin. To set my concealer, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me powder in 355. To contour, I'm using e.l.f.'s Blush and Bronzer Duo. And then I chose to mix the blushes from BH Cosmetics Blush Neutrals palette. I didn't show what highlighter I used, but it's actually an eyeshadow from the Foil Eyes palette that I used earlier, and it's that blush pink shade, but I do mix it with black Radiance highlighter later on. And this is the highlighter that I was talking about from Black Radiance. It's in their True Complexion contour palette. And then I'm going back into Foil Eyes using that same gold shade I used earlier to highlight my inner corners and under my brow bone. And then the lip pencils I used are actually from a drugstore, and I don't know the name of them because it's not on there. But for the top lip, I used almost a burgundy shade, and for the bottom, I used a very rich brown chocolatey shade. And then I went over those colors with a Maybelline matte lipstick in the shade 657 Nude Nuisance. These are the two mascaras I used. The purple one is CoverGirl's Lash Blast Fusion. The gold one is L'Oreal's Voluminous Million Lashes. My lipstick was a tad too creamy for me, and I wanted it a little bit darker, so I took a brown eyeshadow and I just dabbed that all over my lips. And then I took the same purple and orange from earlier and I put that under my lower lash line. Alright you guys, that is it for this week's video. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and to hit that little bell so you're notified every time I post. If you recreate this look or any of my past looks, don't forget to tag me in them. All of my social medias will be linked down below, and I will see you guys soon.